Okay, girls and boys, is another story time with Pastor Todd, and we're going to do the book, If You Give a Dog a Donut. I don't know, I like donuts, and that donut looks delicious. So let's see what's going to happen in this one today. If you give a dog a donut. See the little kid peeking out the window, and there's a dog holding his dog bowl. All right, here we go. What's that? I think that's a donut box. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. I do like apple juice. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. He's picking apples on a skateboard. And he's going to put it in a laundry basket. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball. Look at him walking on that fence. And a glove. He's doing a handstand on the fence now. I don't think that's safe. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. He must be good at baseball if he can hit a home run. Right over top of the apple tree. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Standing on his head, spinning. He'll probably start a water fight. Oh, wait a minute. I missed this. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend he's a pirate. Arr. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. I think he's digging for something there. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. The end.